Hey guys, it's Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor, and I have a very exciting news to all of you guys. If you are looking for a classic and big single attached ready for occupancy in the area of Loma de Gato, Marilao, near NLEX and flood free, I will give you a house tour here. As in complete house tour, newly renovated and brand new model unit, house and lot, na ang ganda ng location kasi corner, tapos malapit pa siya sa entrance gate. Nag-iisa lang to guys ha, pwede siya sa bank financing or in-house financing. Samahan niyo ako guys sa house tour na gagawin ko today. So alright. So ito guys, yung exterior niya. Ang pangalan ng model, it's called Amira. So ayan, gusto ko kasing ipakita sa inyo yung kabuuan. So ito yung kanyang neighborhood, katabi. Dito na yan, pag kanan mo dito guys, ano na siya? Entrance na siya. Andiyan na yung guardhouse. So sa gilid, ganito yung kanyang itsura. Ayan, no, mamaya papasukin natin yan sa likod. Ang ganda kasi ano na, ready na may fence na oh. Kung gusto mo na lang padagdagan ng gate sa harap, di ba? Pero sa likod ito siya, ay grabe oh. Amira model. Diba? Ang ganda pa ng pangalan ng ano, model unit. Actually, ito kasing mga model unit na to guys. Sa pwesto na to. Sold. Ito na lang yung nag-iisa natin. Yung pinakahuli natin ni-renovate at mas pinaganda. Yung corner lot, di ba? Bibigyan ako ng sample computation nito mamaya guys ha. So nasa screen nakikita nyo na yung kanyang details. Lot area and floor area. Yan ha, nandiyan na yung details niya guys ha. So syempre, may malaking parking. At ito. So pagpasok natin guys, wow! Grabe ho, gamit na lang guys. So when you move in, o, diba? Ang ganda ng design. Very nice and classic. Alam nyo, earth color. And dito mo ilalagay yung iyong television, syempre. So, this is going to be your welcoming living area na, surprise! Meron siyang high ceiling. Look how classic and elegant that high ceiling is. And napapansin nyo ba yan guys, yung mga malalaking window glass na yan. Tapos, maglalagay ka dyan ng iyong paboritong chandelier. Oh, di ba guys? Ayan oh. So from here, ganyan yung view niya guys. Ayan. Tapos, yan yung bubungad sa'yo. Di ba? To, pagpasok mo ng door, meron ka dito, ang ganda ng ginawa nilang partition, di ba? Kasi ginawa din yung cabinet at may lanay ka. So this is going to be your lanay. So yung parking mo dito guys, up to 2 cars, depende sa size ng kotse mo. Oh, it's a 6-seater dining table. And this is going to be your kitchen area. Ayan siya guys, okay. Meron ka dito access door sa iyong laundry area, service area, at nakikita nyo ba kung gaano pa kaluwag itong iyong backyard kung gusto mong mag-landscape dito. Ayan, oh. Diba, guys? Oh. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo para diba? Virtual tour na to, guys, ha? This is first come, first serve. Nag-iisa lang po ito, si Amira model dito, na very affordable. Nag-iisa lang siya dito sa Alegria. Ito na yung pinaka-affordable na model unit namin. Kasi yung iba talagang mas mahal na nasa 20M na. 15M to 20M. Ito guys, mamaya, abangan mo yung sample computation. Afford na afford, kayang-kaya. Diba? So, ayan siya guys. Diba? Kita nyo naman yung floor area niya kanina. Very generous. Your first bedroom. So, meron ka na rin dito closet. Ayan ha. Meron ka ng bedroom number 1 kung merong elderly or guest room or helper's room, whatever. At meron kang toilet and shower sa baba. So, this is your first toilet and shower na ang ganda at ang luwag. Wow! Grabe. Hindi ka mapapahiya, guys. Sobrang ganda. This is the stairs. Ayan. Akit tayo sa taas, guys. Ang taas rin ng ceiling niya, ha? At may malalaki rin siyang windows dito. At talagang ano siya, full of natural light. Diba? Ganun po siya, guys. Ang luwag ng hallway mo. Nakikita mo ba yan, guys? Kung ano pa. Meron ka pang second living area dito, oh. Second living area. Oh, diba? Tapos, may lanay ka dito and may, anong tawag dito, balcony sa gilid. Ayan ha. May balcony ka pa dyan sa gilid, guys. Tapos, yun siya dito. So, how many bedrooms in total, di ba? Sa baba, may bedroom 1. Sa taas, may bedroom 2. So, ito yung bedroom 2. Ayan, no? Bedroom 2, bedroom 2. Ayan. So, this is your bedroom 2, guys. Wow! And, of course, toilet number 2. Oh, diba? Wow! I like the mirror. Kasi ang laki ng mirror. Oh, diba, guys? Perfect. Ayan. Ang laki ng shower area ng second floor din. And of course, your master's bedroom. Ano to? Queen size. Oh, guys, ha? Your master's bedroom, lahat may, closet. At your master's toilet and shower, ang laki ng toilet and shower. And very elegant. Color and design. O, diba, guys? Ayan yung ating fixtures, oh. Diba, guys, no? Amira model, single attached, ready for occupancy if you need to move in, diba? Quickly, like in a few months. So, ayan. So, guys, in total, we have 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Wow! Ang ganda at ang laki. Nag-iisa lang to, guys. First come, first served. Online reservation is allowed. Or dito po sa office, at least 1 to 2 days before pag magpapaschedule sa akin ng tripping, okay? So now, let's see if this is pasok sa iyong budget. Is this the kind of property or house and lot na kaya mo? Let's see. This is our sample computation. Nakikita niyo sa screen, guys, ha? So that is our sample computation, guys. Ayan. Ganda, oh. Diba, guys? Afford na afford nyo. Yung binibigay ko na yan, guys, bank yan, ha? Bank financing. If you say, I don't want to pay, I don't want to use bank financing, just contact me. I will send you yung in-house option nila. Okay? No problem. So, guys, if you want to pay the down payment in full, meron pa kayong possible na discount from the developer. Okay, guys? So, nakita nyo naman, very affordable, kayang-kaya po ang Amira model ready for occupancy, guys. And of course, we need your proof of income, proof of billing, and ID at birth or marriage certificate. Yun yung, guys, yung initial requirements, okay? Online reservation, no problem. At ang good news ko sa inyo dito, guys, upon unit turnover, you will avail, exclusive lang, ha? Exclusive, my very own promo, bare months promo for Amira model, okay, is 20,000 worth of SM gift certificate upon unit turnover ang ibibigay ko sa iyo, okay? So, all you need to do is to contact me directly para makapag-reserve ka na kaagad online or makapag-schedule sa akin ng actual site tripping 1 to 2 days before. Dahil nag-iisa lang to, si Amira model, you would want to contact me right now. Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage on the screen, 0917-114-2422. Just mention, pag kinontak mo ako, Amira model. Okay, alam ko na yan, tatawagan kita or magre-reply ako kaagad as soon as makita ko yung message mo. Okay, guys? So, that's it! Ang ganda talaga ni Amira model, guys. Nakaka-inlove siya, but at the same time, very affordable yung kanyang total contract price sa sobrang ganda ng location at ng bahay itself, 'di ba? Panalong-panalo ka na. Financing pa, through financing pa. So, kapag ikaw naman ay based abroad, OFW, okay lang. Pero kung ikaw ay immigrants, kung meron kang dual citizenship, meron ka pa ring Philippine passport or dual ka, walang problema, guys, ha? So, if you have questions about that, basta kontakin mo lang ako. Ako ang bahala sa'yo. Ayan. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And enjoy Amira model.